I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. Oh, man. Just be unsleepy.
Wait, I can use my phone and I'm gonna call somebody. Yeah, come here. What? Oh, yeah, come here. It's right now. It's at the couch. Meet me at right now. No, you're literally right by me. What do you mean? Okay, fine. Okay, he's coming.
Who's coming?
My friend.
And who's your friend and what is he?
Okay, so he's a bird.
Hello, guys. My name is Big Bird. And don't confuse me with Big Bird from Elmo's place. Because I'm not that type of Big Bird. And people who are watching this video, this is what I look like. Cool, right? I'm a terror bird. His name sounds creepy. Oh, don't worry. I'm just a terror bird. That's creepy. Wait. I smell chicken seeds. Okay, bye, guys.
No, come back here.
I guess I'll just go with them.